Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to make or get human in Infinite Craft using best method. Let's get started. First things first. You have to drag in fire in the screen. After this, you have to add wind to it. Doing this will create smoke. Then you have to go to the other side. Take water. Then you have to add fire to it. When you do that, it will make steam. Then you have to add earth to it. When you do that, it will make mud. Then you have to go to the other side. Take wind. Then you have to add earth to it. When you do that, it will make dust. Then you have to add earth to it. When you do that, it will make planet. Now, we are halfway done. Then you have to go to the other side. Take smoke. Then you have to add water to it. When you do that, it will make fog. Then you have to add fog to planet. When you do that, it will make Venus. Then you have to add mud to Venus from the right side of the screen. When you do that, it will make Adam. Then you have to add Venus to Adam. When you do that, it will make Eve. Now, the last step is to add Adam to Eve. When you do that, it will make human. Voila! Then remove the things we don't need from the screen. And that's how you make or get human in Infinite Craft by using best method. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs and comment your thoughts on this video. And also subscribe to our channel for more Infinite Craft videos. And we will see you in the next video. Happy crafting!